Good morning, we're going to talk about the design of a thermoforming machine. Thermoforming is a manufacturing activity in which a flat and thin piece of plastic is heated to a pliable temperature by forming a determined shape around of a mold, by being trimmed at the end to make a practical item. Most of the time, these plastic sheets are created with a granulated material, by being pit one of the most important and popular. It is not necessary to develop another special process when the final product is trimmed. Thermoforming process consists of three main stages. First, to fuel the machine with a plastic sheet. An extensive knowledge of the physical properties of the sheet used is required. Second, to heat the plastic sheet, usually with the halogen resistor or hot air current. Third, to place the plastic sheet on a tough mold, and at the bottom, a vacuum is created to achieve the expected shape. A fourth stage could be added if it should be necessary, in which the hot sheet would be cooled and almost immediately used. This stage can be either before or after the final shape is trimmed. Thermoforming process is used to develop a great deal of different products. One simple example that can be easily appreciated are the disposable cups, such as yogurt cups and toy packaging. This project is exclusively focused on the design of the machine previously explained. The software to be used will be Catia. We have noticed that these kind of machines are very expensive. We try to slow down the price of these products. Objectives. General, to do a 3D drawing of a thermoforming machine and to make a document of the project process. Specific, to apply the knowledge on CAM and CAD to draw the machine, to use Catia to develop all the drawing part, to learn LaTeX to write the final document. Project scope. This project corresponds to the block of mechanical design course, which Catia is the established software. We as a team agree only to do the design of the thermoforming machine by letting aside the simulation part and the computer analysis of thermal and chemical effects. In the same way, it will not be done any kind of software programming for automating or controlling some movements of the thermoforming machine. It will be made a research about a real application inside the skull of the machine. By the same token, we want to make another inquiry about the self-maintenance service of the machine before addressed. Applications. The real application of this project is to use the software Catia to make all the design part. And the second application would be to make the analysis of each component as an introduction. In the industry, this kind of machines helps developers to make little packaging molds and different things with a fast, cheap, and easy process. Now we show our evidence. Timeline. Now we are going to explain our timeline. On January 28th, we sent office evidence. Then on February 11th, we searched and designed all the components needed for the deploy of the system. On 1st March, we started with the design and assembly of the parts, which all the dimensions were defined by us. On April 2nd, we have almost of the project finished, all the design and assembly. The real importance of this project is to do an introduction of the analysis, new concepts, and to use another software new for us. Thank you so much.